Cochran here, and I have a prequel to the successful Hunger Game Hunger Games franchise. This installment is The Hunger Games: The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. Um, this follows a young Coriander Snow before he rises to be the savior of the capital and the father of the Hunger Games themselves. Um, as he's a young student, uh, trying to wrestle with the morality and of the Hunger Games themselves and why they need them. Uh, he is tasked with the job of being a mentor to one of the new contestants. But he doesn't know that he would fall under the spell of this young woman, and he might risk everything to have her win, not only for his family's prize money, but to have the woman he loves. But will his scheming get found out and he be punished for it? And will something happen that will make him become the ruthless person he comes to be in the other um, movies? Uh, will he take this betrayal and get his revenge on the people he needs to? And and become the tyrant of the films, or will he do the right thing and bring the games down before they even have a chance to get really started? That is the question. So this is a pretty good prequel to an already successful franchise. It's done well in every way. Really captures the essence of the other films and explains a lot of what was left out but referred to, and it really answers questions in a good way. Uh, I think any fan of the Hunger Games franchise will like this. Personally, I think, especially for being a prequel, it kind of stands alone uh, by itself in the franchise, and really, in my opinion, it's one of the best movies of the franchise, being a prequel. So I give this uh, uh, 5 out of 5. Uh, it's pretty good. You're gonna love it if you're especially a fan of it. So you can find it on Amazon Prime, other streaming networks, maybe on physical media, I don't know. So go out and watch it. Uh if you're on Rumble, hit me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you're on YouTube, hit me a like, subscribe to my channel, and of course watch those movies. If you're on if you have any comments you'd like to leave me, leave them down in my comment sections below. And if you want to join Rumble, but haven't registered an account, register one with my referral link at the top of the screen here, and it will give me a slight commission if you do decide to do something of your own on the platform. Hope to see you around. Bye.